Hello, good morning from a hilly city of Bangladesh, Sylhet, Jaflong. I'm standing in front of Jaflong Vijay station. It's a tourist spot of Bangladesh. Look at Jaflong View Restaurant, Paris Resort and Restaurant, Jaflong View Guest House, Sibat Enterprise, Subway Store, Select Gate Lock Ticket Counter, Jaflong View Restaurant. Look at this Jaflong spot. Over there, Jaflong BD Shop 1. All the shops are closed down. Look at this Jafna tourist guide and hand notebook. And beside this, over there, Jafna BGB camp. I cannot see this, but I know. Beside this, there is a camp of BGB. And now it is 7 am and no one is here. It's completely empty place. No one is here. I cannot see even a single man there. Look, the cleaners, they're trying to clean this city. And there is a microbus over there. Maybe they came here last night. Look at the weather. The forecast is very bad. It's a completely dark outside. I don't know what is the name of this tree, but why the people came here? Please come with me. I'm trying to investigate it. I'm again welcoming you from a viewpoint. Look at this. Look at the sky. Look at this hills. Look at the smoke. Is it a smoke? Of course not. It's not a smoke. It's a cloud. The cloud are wavering at the peak of the mountain. I'm sorry, it's not a mountain, it's a hill. And what is the most incredible scenario? That is what you are looking now, what you were saying. This is a city of Donkey, a city of Mizoram. Mizoram is a province of India. Look at high-rising building. Electric lamps are kept on. I'm zooming in. Look at, wow. Look at my hand. I'm trying to catch this house, hotel, restaurant, and others. I'm zooming in again. Look at the view. Why people came here? I'm watching this cloud. I'm just trying to catch this cloud. I'm sorry, it's not possible. It's not far away from here. There is a small river. I don't know what is the name of this river, but I know this river has divided these two countries. This is a national border. As a Bangladeshi, I'm not allowed to go there. I must follow rules and regulations by my government and the BGB man. They instruct all the people to follow your country guideline. Look at the viewpoint. Wow, excellent. What a scenario. Wow. Look at that cloud. It seems smoking is there, but this is not a smoke. It's completely cloud at the peak of hill. And look at the city. There's a huge hotel, a resort, and others for tourists. come and enjoy this place. What a creation of Allah. This is the reality. If you don't come here, you cannot enjoy this by watching video. You can imagine a video, you can get updated by watching video, but if you don't come here, you cannot enjoy the real beauty of Jaflong and this area. Look, this is Bangladesh and this is India. It's not far from away. It's a short distance here, and these two countries has been divided by a small river. I am walking in front. Please try to see this more clearly. I'm sorry, I'm not allowed to go far away from here. I'm zooming in, and look at my hand. I'm just trying to catch the city. Yes. This is a tanky city of Mizoram. Mizoram is a province of India, and we are here to enjoy this incredible natural scenery of Jaflong. Over there are a few shops. Maybe the shops are closing now. Sorry, opening now. It has been raining. It has been heavy raining for 2 days. Look again, the Jaflong. Jaflong is the most notable natural sightseeing place of Bangladesh, and I am here standing in front of the border, international border. Look, there is EGY going on. I'm sure because of my poor quality of my camera resolution, you cannot see this, but I am saying this. Most of the buildings, electric light are kept on. Look at the Jaflong. This is the beauty of Jaflong. This is the charming, wow, astonishing view. Look at that over there. Okay, my roommates, they're waiting for me at the hotel. Now I'm going back to my hotel. I still trying to know something more interesting about this Jaflong. Over there is a public toilet, and most of the shops are closed down. If you come here 2 or 3 hours later, you will see huge traffic, jam-packed, but no one is here. It's heavy raining. Most of the tourists, they're still sleeping at their hotel. And look at the tree. It's a very nice tree to look at. I don't know what is the name of this tree. I don't know what is the name of this tree. I could see some tourists. They're coming outside. Over there, Jaflong View Restaurant. All the restaurant are now closed. Though it is 7 p.m., most of the tourists, most of the visitors, they are still inside the hotel. So It's a marketplace. Look over there. It's a marketplace. Most of the shops are still closed now. It's 7 p.m. I'm here at a hilly city of Sylhet, Jaflong. Over there, right hand enterprise, Sada Cosmetics. Welcome to Jaflong Green Resort. It's the address. If you want to enjoy, please take a note of this resort mobile number 01756162000. I'm making an advertisement with free. Look at here. This is a bus stoppage. When visitors come here with hiring bus, they keep their buses here. It's a very small market. There is no high-rise building here, but how do you see your video? The Indian part, Lanka City, there have many high-rise buildings, and this is all about something I am trying to notify you. That's all about my Jaflong. I suggest you please come to Jaflong. Please try to travel, come here to enjoy this incredible natural scenery. If you don't come here, you cannot see it, you cannot enjoy this natural beauty by watching a mobile video. You want to really enjoy this, you must come here. So please come here, and that's all about from here. Thank you very much for watching my video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.